In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save favorites on artlist.io. If you're building a soundtrack for a project or just exploring new music, having a quick way to mark tracks you like is essential. Favorites on Artlist make it easy to capture those "this could work" moments as you browse, so you can come back later with a clear, curated shortlist. Here's how it works. While you're browsing music on Artlist, whether you're in a playlist, a search results page, or any collection, look for the small star icon that appears next to each track. It usually sits close to the track title or on the right side of the row. When a track catches your attention, simply click that star. It's a one-tap action, so you don't have to break your flow while auditioning tracks. This is especially helpful if you're moving quickly through a lot of options and want to capture your first impressions without overthinking it. After you click, pay attention to the color of the star. A yellow star means the song is saved to your favorites. That color change is your confirmation that the track has been added. No extra pop-ups or forms. If the star isn't yellow, it hasn't been saved yet, so the visual cue makes it easy to see what you've already marked as you continue browsing. When you're ready to review the music you've saved, open Favorites from the sidebar. You'll find this in the main navigation sidebar, typically on the left. Clicking Favorites brings up a dedicated space that collects all the tracks you've starred, so you can evaluate them together in one place. This view is great for comparing options, checking how different songs feel back to back, and narrowing down your selections for the final cut of your video, podcast, or campaign. A few quick tips to get the most out of this workflow. Favorite generously while you explore, then refine later inside favorites when you can listen with fresh ears. Trust the yellow star method as your breadcrumb trail. It keeps you organized without interrupting your creative momentum. Because the star is visible wherever tracks are listed, you can build your favorites list from virtually any browsing view, and everything stays in sync as you move around the site. That's it. Click the star to save, look for the yellow star to confirm, and open Favorites from the sidebar to review. With this simple loop, you'll keep your music discovery organized and your selection process efficient.